Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we enable adaptive brightness mode in a Tecno phone. Friends, you want to enable your adaptive brightness, so friends you can enable it. And friends, now let's see how to enable adaptive brightness in our Tecno phone. In this video friends, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So friends, now let's start the video. And first of all, guys, open your phone setting to enable your adaptive brightness. Then guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see display and brightness. Guys, tap here. Guys, click on your adaptive brightness setting. So if you want to enable it, so friends, you can enable. And guys, you can see after enable, guys, brightness decrease automatic. How? Because guys, I'm in the room where when I will go outside, my brightness will increase automatic. So guys, you can see guys your adaptive brightness, and guys, you want to enable, you can enable, and guys, you can use it. So where brightness will increase and decrease automatic. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable adaptive brightness in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.